Hi, today I'll be doing a review of 128 gig Transcend Jetdrive Lite 330 for a 13-inch MacBook Pro Retina display. Here is a quick view of the packaging. Now let's get started with unboxing. Included are some information about the products and limited lifetime warranty. Here's the expansion card. The reason for the spend was for additional space. It's cheaper than SSD, and primarily this card offers a flush profile that's tailor-made to each MacBook model. Prior to this, I was using an external drive, and it was really just a hassle to plug in every time and carry it around with the laptop. Now with the Transcend Jet Drive, the files were just a click away. Mount it and forget about it. Here's a quick comparison with a microSD card adapter. The design of the laptop wouldn't allow the card to insert all the way, and it does look a bit tacky. And this was the only reason why I chose Transcend over SD card. The Jetdrive Lite series is specially designed for MacBook Air and MacBook Pro. It comes in 4 different sizes, so be sure to find the right model for your MacBook. Now, one of the drawbacks of this card is the struggle of getting it out using my fingertips or nails. So I chose to use my guitar pick so it doesn't scratch my laptop and requires less effort while unmounting the card. Before transferring any files to the card, the first step for me was to format it via disk utility. Doing so will allow me to use this as a backup drive. Most of you guys would know how to format it. Here are the steps for those who are new to the system as I was. After a quick search of disk utility, it will take you to this option. Click on your card, select Erase, and select Journalize on the Format option. Click on Erase, and once the process is complete, you're good to go. Just a quick check on the size of this card. As you can see, the capacity is 129 gig. Well, I paid for 128, so I guess I got 1 gig for free, and I've already used more than half of the space. Now let's get down with the read and write speed. According to Transcend website, they've advertised write speed at 60 and read speed at 95 megabyte per second. So we'll use this app to check whether the numbers are correct. So after choosing the Transcend card, we'll start the test. And the write speed appears to range from 11 to 17 megabyte per second, while read speed at 75 megabyte per second. I'll be transferring 1 gig of video from my desktop to the card, which will give you an idea of the time frame for a complete transfer. So the transfer took a minute and 48 seconds. So regardless of discrepancy in write speed and a bit of effort to get the card out, it has been a perfect device for storing my media files and also backing up my drive. But I wouldn't be using this for gaming or editing purposes. I hope this review was helpful. Cheers.